gonna install a lock on this KW. First thing we're gonna do is remove all the leads and everything, pull the batteries out. Always make sure that you don't have any positive leads that are added on later on that could still be hot. So make sure you get everything nice and tucked away. Let's not arc anything out. First thing you're gonna do is, once you get your stuff out, you can come in here, measure out the length of your box. This box is 29 1/4. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here, we're gonna mark our anchor holes directly in the center. Here you can see my 2 marks here, dead center of the box. Our batteries, 2 batteries together is 13 inches, but we're gonna want a little clearance for your anchor bolts. So we're going, you can tell, about 14 inches when we drill these holes. We're dead center here, and we've got a space for our batteries. Awesome. Alright, now we're about to drill the holes. If you've never drilled holes in steel, you don't drill with the bits you need to make the hole. You're going to start off with a little bit, and you're going to step it up. Usually I use 3 bits per hole, different sizes, that way I don't burn out my bits, overheat them, dole them out as fast, and the holes come out a lot better. Make sure you're using a variable drill. It's got to go slow and easy into these. It'll go right through, but you're not going to overheat that bit. You can use a little oil or WD-40 if you'd like, but I do so many of these installs, I'll burn a set of bits a week. And that's how you drill out holes. Get too big. Alright, once you got your holes drilled, your anchor set in the back and in the front. See my anchor back here goes to the bottom. Put your handles down, bring your lock in, attach your back bolt. Alright. Now, once we build a sleeve for our bolts, it's an anti-bolt cutting sleeve. We'll stick the sleeve inside there and bolt down this part. Alright. Exactly 8.5. Alright, here's our 9-inch sleeve. Just keep anybody can use bolt cutters on your anchors. Slide that pipe up the side there. Pull that tight. Keep it tight, that's the fun part. Get that bolt on the top, washer and a nut. Alright, washer's nut on there. And I'm gonna grab me a 9/16 here, tighten this down. Wrench on that back one, I think. Alright, grab me a wrench. Alright, that bottom's good and tight. Not going nowhere on that. Now once you got your sleeve on there, that's good and tight. Those batteries are not moving. Just take the top, put it inside there, line up your lock. You feel kind of tight, turn it. lock it. That's it. And you have installed anti-theft battery lock.